In this video, I show you how to fix package installer keep stopping problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on three dot. Now click on show system app. Now search for package installer. Click on package installer. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now try to install any app. Now click on install. Now I hope that this method working for you. If this method not working, then go to Play Store. Now search XAPK. Install this app. Wait for completing the install process. Now open it. Now you can install APK from here. Click on install APK files. Okay. Click on permission. Allow permission. Now click on install. Now I hope that this method fix package install keeps stopping problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.